Hi there. This is Shinjini from Modern Gypsy and welcome back to my painting table. So another really loose and intuitive piece today. That is how I paint, so that is what you're going to see me doing most often. So I'm starting off by just laying down some paints in a very fun, free and loose manner and just having fun with what's happening on the page. You'll also see me turn the page around as I go, and that's just another way for me to remain loose and free and unattached to what's really happening on this piece. So in that way I can just continue to make marks without getting precious about anything. Now, as I paint and etch and scribble into this piece, I actually do tend to prefer to have a little more paint down before I find something within the paint. That just makes the whole process of pulling a painting together a lot easier. Because you're not trying to really build up a piece right from the get-go. It's kind of already built up and you're just pulling things out of it. But as you would notice, the complete opposite happened with this painting. I found this face within the layer of paints very, very early on in the process. And I really wanted to pull her out. Her story seemed urgent and important, and I wanted to tell it. So you're going to see me as I build up this painting, as I build up this face and build up this really abstract kind of look and try and tell her story in a, while still maintaining a very loose and abstract feel to this entire process. So sit back, enjoy, and really just watch as this whole painting comes together, and then go and create your own. Just let your brushes sing across the page and make some marks, and let the layers of paint tell you their story. See what happens on the page. Stay loose, stay free, and watch on, continue to watch this video for to pick up some tips and tricks on how you can paint in this loose and abstract manner in your own art journal. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed seeing how I brought this abstract portrait to life and how I still, at least I think, managed to retain a very abstract, loose, and organic feeling to this entire painting. I hope that you will give this process a try, and if you do create something using these tips or these techniques, then I would love for it if you share them on Instagram. Tag me there at moderngypsy.in. I would love to see what you create. And if you would like some more art journaling inspiration, some juicy conversations on the artist's journey, on the creative life, and on an artistic mindset, then come visit me on my website at moderngypsy.in. You'll find a lot of beautiful goodness awaiting you there. I have a lot more painting techniques and tutorials, a lot of tips and techniques, and also a beautiful podcast that is aimed at artists who just love to create because that's who they are. So thank you for joining me on my painty table. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you here again soon. Until next time, take care and keep creating. Bye-bye.